Guys, for today's video, maligo may dagat ito. To. Oh, hey, what's up? Hey, say hi. Maligo may dagat. Guys, na namin sa barge, guys. Oh, sa may saksa. Guys, nabot ng barko ang musakyan, guys. Oh. Guys. Repeat. O kana guys, kana barko. So, just wait guys.
Sos, dalaghan talawod jud o. Oh, sos, dalaghan talawod jud.
Yang faster. Faster Juliang. Guys, yun na yung barko na sasakyan namin guys, papuntang Samal guys. So guys, oh, Wisport. Oh. LCT ni Wisport. Grabe guys, ang init dito sa Pilipinas guys, oh. Oh, grabe, init masyado dito sa Pilipinas guys. So to all the foreigner here in Davao City, so just enjoy the sunny day, always sunny day here. Oh, also foreigner guys, oh, see, they were enjoying the sunny day. Sunny day, lolo. Oh, there's a lot of people here. Oh. Oh. Ito yung kable na very hard kable. Oh.
Sos, salaba ning balataa oy.
Hey! Oh! Grabe guys, oh. Init dito masyado guys. So, look. Grabe guys, oh. The sea is very sea. Oh! Fish! Hala! Was a fish! Guys, oh. Mga bilong-bilong guys, mga bilong-bilong. Oh. Okay. Ay, tagi Jubiyang, pag-excuse Jubiyang. Oh guys, oh. Oh. Oh guys, oh. Barge guys. Dami. Sasakyan na karga guys. Barge. Okay guys, oh, larga na. Oh. Larga na. Abot na ni guys. Oh, Awa ninyo. So, sama nih. Kan ba dili? Tubig nih, tubig. Sampai na ini guys. Yang okay guys, di muna kami pupunta ng ano guys, Kanibad guys, kasi medyo alanganin sa oras. So sunset lang muna kami. Sunset, Babak Island Garden, City of Sang. What's it? Try na to. Sige, pangalan na bro, Sunset. Sunset dati, di ba? Silipin lang muna namin guys kung okay ba yung area. Silip-silip lang muna. Sir, pwede mo silip lang sir? Diyan lang isa lang mo silip, pwede. Uy. Okay naman. Okay naman. Uy. Okay man di eh. Okay. Let's go. It's okay. Oh. Oh. Okay naman. Ayan guys, so yun ang ending guys. Di na kami tumuloy sa isang resort kasi may corkage. Ibig sabihin ng corkage guys, yung pag magdala ka ng pagkain, like for example lechon manok, so may bayad po. May bayad. At saka magdala ka ng speaker, Bluetooth speaker, may bayad rin. So corkage ang tawag dyan. So dito lang kami sa tumuloy sa ibang resort na walang ganyan, walang corkage. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and shout out sa mga mayroong corkage.